Hey, welcome back to the channel. So this is I'll call it an update. I'll call it an in-between. You're like, is this girl still working on this fence? And the answer is yes, this girl is still working on this fence. This has become like a big, giant DIY project. So as you can see, I've added some additional touches. So I'm changing my mind as I go, which is also causing delays. But I went to Hobby Lobby and I got these faux sawgrass bush, and I love these. I love how thick and layered it is, so you can't really see the discolorment in the boxwood. So I really like, I don't think the video's really doing it justice, but I really like the way it's giving me kind of like that overgrown jungle look. All right, sounds from the neighborhood. These so-called neighbors. Anywho's, so the reason I am recording today. Hold on, dog. Okay, before I was so rudely interrupted. So here are some of the metal bistro stools that I've had that have been sitting in my garage for years, and I thought they were a metal color, and I'm not sure if this is just rust or the original color of these stools. And I think this is a great little area. I want to get a standing table here, and initially I was going to go with like an orange color so I can go with my orange color theme. And then I was like, man, I just might as well go ahead and get like a metal table. But when I saw the color of my actual stools, I realized they're a lot darker or more rust colored than what I found online. So I wanted to get you guys' opinion of should I just get like an orange table, or should I break out the good old spray paint and spray paint these to be a color? So I'm open to suggestions. So this is what is going on in my world for today. But you guys can leave your opinions if you can hear me past this noise. You can leave your opinions in the comment section.